What do you know? I got some more mail. I've been waiting for this, and good old Johnny boy, John from Will It Grow, sent it to me, and it's the seeds. It's the seeds that I got because I qualified in the ShedWars21. I mean, I amazingly, I actually met all the requirements, even though I didn't harvest huge amounts like others, and some of the things I did failed, but at least I did them and made videos about them. So cool. Let's see what the note here says. Thank you for the great work and participation in the 2021 Shed Wars gardening collaboration. Please accept these seeds as a small gift. Best regards, John and Robert. Yeah, this is cool. Even if it was just one pack of seeds, it's just cool to. It was cool to participate in all the fun, and I'm looking forward to Shed Wars 22. But hey, let's see what we got here. Oh, hey, that's right. John made his own seed packs. Wow. Whether you have these printed up or printed them up yourself, this is really cool, John. I like doing stuff myself, and this is neat. Okay. Bodacious sweet corn. I only made one attempt at growing corn, and it was back when I was in Southern California, first doing square foot gardening. And I didn't realize that you actually have to have quite a bit of corn. You can't just grow a couple because they have to pollinate each other, and you need to have a few for that to happen. So, and my wife loves sweet corn. This will be great. Oh, hey, even Team Aquarius name. I didn't notice that before. Cool. And instructions. Man, this is complete, John. Good job. Hot Portugal pepper. That sounds good. All right. Purple Beauty. Wow. Hey, John, how'd you know I wanted peppers? Because the Big Blue House Homestead, Sarah sent me some peppers, and so I'm gonna have a lot to choose between on what to grow because I'm only gonna grow a couple at a time. So, Italian Roma tomatoes is our favorite tomato. And carrots. Hey, I'm going to be growing some carrots up in the front planter bed this time instead of trying to grow it back in I'm doing the back to Eden garden method, and it's going to be rather shallow for a while. So actually up in my front planter beds that I had all those jalapenos growing in, I'm going to put I'm going to put carrots there instead. This is so cool. Hey, thanks a lot for sending these to me, John, and Robert too. Thank you to you guys for taking all the time and effort that it takes to run Shed Wars. And hey, don't let anybody that's giving you real guff, not just the fun, trash talking we do. Anybody that's giving you real hard times, hey, let it roll off like water off a duck's back, because you guys are doing a great job, and there are gobs and gobs of people that appreciate it, especially me. So God bless you, John and Robert. See you guys. See you in Shed Wars.